Hi guys, this is Mr. Pharma. The United Kingdom pharmaceutical industry is arguably one of the most important industries in the global pharma industry. We all know that the United Kingdom is going to exit from the European Union. But do we know how much this is going to impact the global pharmaceutical industry? Although the novel coronavirus pandemic put a working pause on Brexit negotiations, the meetings were rescheduled with no extension of the transition period and fastening the transition process. To provide a continuous supply of medicinal products, both United Kingdom and Europe is working tirelessly for a smooth transition. This video addresses the potential impact of the United Kingdom's withdrawal from the European Union on the European drug regulatory framework. Watch the video fully and understand the Brexit's impact on global pharma and Indian pharma. Welcome guys. This is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. The European Union is a political and economic union of 27 member countries that are located primarily in Europe. The United Kingdom, made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, is an island nation in northwestern Europe. The United Kingdom withdrawing its rights and exiting from the European Union is called Brexit. What is the benefit of a country being a part of the European Union? As the European countries are smaller and to have substantial growth of their economy, the European Union allows people, goods, services, and capital to move freely between member countries. The drawback is when something bad happens, it affects every member state. For example, the 2008 financial crisis caused a stir in the European Union and impacted even a wealthy nation like the United Kingdom. Why is the United Kingdom leaving the European Union? Central banks are supposed to react to recessions by expanding the money supply in order to promote economic activity. During the 2008 financial crisis, the Eurozone tipped into a double-dip recession. Though it didn't affect the United Kingdom directly, United Kingdom analyzed and concluded that this situation and European membership was risky. Also considering many other factors, the United Kingdom submitted on the 29th of March 2017 the notification of its intention to withdraw from the Union. The Brexit deadline was set for the 31st of January 2020 and a transition period till the 31st of December 2020. During the transition, the United Kingdom still follows European Union rules and trade and also continues to pay into the EU budget. After 31 December, the United Kingdom will automatically drop out of the European Union's main trading arrangements. So how this is going to impact pharma? The Medicines and Healthcare Regulatory Agency is responsible for United Kingdom regulation. The United Kingdom has so far been a main European centre for pharma industry. Few of the top universities for research are grounded in the United Kingdom, and United Kingdom has good regulatory and IP protection systems. Over 5,000 plus pharmaceutical licenses are currently registered with the United Kingdom as the reference member states in Europe. Most of them are generics, and most of them are registered with United Kingdom address. United Kingdom Medicines and Healthcare Regulatory Agency currently conducts marketing assessments for approximately 20% of all new drugs. As there are a lot of dependencies in the United Kingdom and United Kingdom exiting the Europe, the impact will be on both sides, causing hectic administrative changes, causing huge money and time investments. As of now, all drugs approved by the European Medicines Agency are automatically granted access to the United Kingdom's market. If the United Kingdom and European Union does not have a shared regulatory framework, access to both markets would be causing additional process, money and time. This will lead to a geographic reallocation of the pharmaceutical industry from the United Kingdom to the European Union and vice versa. United Kingdom outside of the European Union may have difficulty in having skilled experts and will lose European Union research funding and face blockades accessing the European Union market. For the European Union, Brexit will result in additional administrative costs, but many European Union countries would like to grab the opportunity of the United Kingdom's business and will try to become the new location for the European Medicines Agency. The following factors will be impacted heavily, such as marketing authorization holders. Where marketing authorization holders are located in the United Kingdom will need to transfer their European Union marketing authorization to a holder established in the European Union, and for a United Kingdom's license, a United Kingdom's located marketing authorization will be needed. For United Kingdom as reference member state, for medicinal products authorized or planned to be submitted via mutual recognition procedure or decentralized procedure in the European Union, United Kingdom needs to choose the reference member state of a member state in the European Union. For batch testing and release sites in the United Kingdom, marketing authorization will need to transfer its current United Kingdom batch testing and release site to a location established in the European Union, and for a United Kingdom license, a site in the United Kingdom is required. For qualified person pharmacovigilance and pharmacovigilance system master file location, a PSMF and QPDV location must be inside the European Union, whilst for United Kingdom PSMF and QPDV location must be in the United Kingdom. For United Kingdom reference product for generic or hybrid marketing authorization, the reference can be made to a reference medicinal product for which a marketing authorization has been granted in the Union in accordance with respective articles and Directive 2001/83/EC. United Kingdom reference medicinal product marketing authorization granted before the 31st of January 2020 remains valid to calculate the data protection timeline. United Kingdom maize approved afterward cannot be used as reference medicinal product in the European Union. For bioequivalence studies, in case the reference medicinal product is no more produced and placed on the Union market, demonstration of bioequivalence with the reference medicinal product through bioequivalence studies should however be performed on batches which have been authorized within the Union. Bioequivalence studies that have been conducted with a medicinal product sourced in the United Kingdom can be used only if the new marketing authorization using those bioequivalence studies will be granted before Brexit. For the sponsor of an orphan medicinal product designation, the sponsor will need to transfer its designation or change the place of the establishment to a member state of the European Union. The Brexit impact is so huge, it would impact more than approximately 1,000 centralized procedure licenses, 300 marketing authorization holders, 200 centralized procedure generic drugs, 100 orphan drugs, 150 veterinary licenses. Brexit's impact will take a financial burden for pharma companies who must invest a huge chunk of money for their administrative process and regulatory services, whereas United Kingdom and European Medicines Agency must spend more time approval of the upcoming applications. Now let us see the impact of Brexit in Indian pharma sector. Next to the America, Europe is the largest market for medicines in the world. United Kingdom is the second destination of Indian pharmaceutical exports after USA. Majority of top Indian pharma companies have low revenue dependence on the European Union, especially from the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom and the European Union account for less than 15 to 18% of the overall Indian pharma revenues, and as a result Indian pharma companies are likely to face limited impact of Brexit. There are two concerns about post-Brexit landscape is supply chain and the impact of regulation. Relationships between suppliers, distributors and third-party customers will have to be revisited and could trigger the need for a fresh regulatory policy between India, United Kingdom and European Union regarding the marketing authorization for medicinal product in the United Kingdom and European Union. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and family members. For regular updates, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for immediate video release notifications. If you have any doubts and suggestions, kindly provide them in the comments. See you all in another exciting video in Pharma Portal. This is Mr. Pharma signing off.